Hello folks, Oak's Kitchen at it again. I'm baking today again, but it's gonna be another pudding. But this one won't be pineapple upside down. I'll be putting it's gonna be peach upside down. So stay tuned. I've already taken care of the potatoes as usual. I blend mine, not grated like people. Okay, so what I did, as I said, I blended the potatoes. I'm gonna add a cup of sugar to it and the vanilla. But what I did here is I mix the flour, the cornmeal, desiccated coconut, the cornstarch, and all the spice. I'm gonna put all of this in the description box so you can see how I do it. But these are just the ingredients. I'm gonna add the sugar to this now, along with the vanilla. Then I mix this all together. Then we go from there. So the sugar is added, as you can see. Now I'm gonna mix this. So I'm gonna mix the sugar and the potato for a while. Then I'm gonna mix this and add it to it. So I'm gonna mix this for a while. I'm gonna do the addition. Now I'm gonna mix this, which I'm gonna gradually put in the potato, but I wanna mix this so it's evenly, all the ingredients are evenly distributed. Now that the ingredients are mixed, I'm gonna add it to this little by little. Gonna mix it into this. When it's all mixed in, we're almost there. Then I'm gonna add some raisins. We take it from there. So I rubbed it together. Now I'm gonna add some raisins. So I guess there's no flour showing up in it, which is a good thing. So it's all mixed together well. I'm gonna grease my skillet, because that's what I bake in, the skillet, and then put it in the oven at 350 degrees for about an hour and a half. It depends on how the consistency or the stiffness of it. It might be baked in less time. So all you gotta do is keep checking to make sure you don't end up burning it. What I'm gonna do too, when it's finished baking, I'm gonna pour some white rum on it, because if I put the white rum in it at this point, it's gonna evaporate out and it won't have an effect on the taste. That's it. As you can see, I cut a piece of grease paper, and I'm gonna make it round to put at the bottom of the pan. And when I do that, I'm gonna cut another piece to line the side, and then I'll be putting the peach on the grease paper in the bottom of the pan. I was the best at making it round, but I think this can do. That's what I need in the bottom of it. Then I'm gonna line the side with a piece of grease paper, so when we go to flip it to drop it out, it comes out easy. Okay, as you can see, I've started putting in the peach. I gotta lay it all the way around and then put some in the middle. So when it's all put in, I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so I'm done lining the skillet. I'm gonna pour the mixture onto that. When the cake is baked and I flipped it over, that's how it should look. So I'm gonna shake this, level it, and then put it in the oven. Stay tuned. It's in the skillet now. The oven is heated, ready, waiting for this sweet potato pudding. Here it goes. It's baked, ready to come out the oven. That's it. I gotta let it cool before I can drop it out. I can drop it out the skillet. So when it's all cooled down, I'll flip it over so you guys can see it.